Hello everyone, in this video today I will show you how to give someone access to your Facebook page. In other words, I will explain how to add an admin, moderator or transfer your page to other person. Firstly, go to facebook.com. Once you are on facebook.com, look at the left hand side menu and click on pages option. After clicking pages, you will see list of all pages you managed. From here, select the page you want to transfer or give access to other person. So once you click, then click switch now. After switching to the page, look at the top right corner where you will see the profile icon on there. Select privacy setting and privacy, and after that clicking, you will find a search box. In search box, type access or simply ACC and click on page access. So the top add new option is for giving full access and the bottom add new option is for the giving limited access like moderator. Click on the option based on your access you want to grant. I want to give full access. I am selecting the first option. Then click on next. Then enter the person email address or Facebook name and search for their account. Once the profile you apply, check their profile picture, confirm it's correct person and click on their accounts. Nextly, here you see the option asking for you want to give this person full access. If you don't turn on this, so it becomes blue. If you not leave it off and click on continue. After clicking continue, Facebook will ask for your Facebook password. Enter your Facebook password and click confirm. The page confirm request will be sent the person you are inviting. So there is a two-factor authentication. That's why they need to code. Facebook they need to code for verify. So select your WhatsApp or your number message. So I select my phone number for my two-factor authentication. There is some time for verify there. Finally, the two-factor authentication step has been applied for me. It should be applied for you as well. After the completing it, click on continue. The request will be sent, and if you the request will be sent. I will reload. Okay, done. It's done. If you change your mind, you don't want to send the invitation or want to remove request, click one there three dot icon. So three dot icon. Next, person name. From you can cancel or remove the invitation before the accept it. So it is very easy. I cancel it just for education purpose. So I click the cancel. If you click here, it will be cancelled. So you can see request has been cancelled. Brother and sister, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and bell icon.